Hey there! I'm not a real person. Hedra AI powers me to explain how this amazing technology works. Just pixels on your screen, but I can make complex concepts like AI and digital avatars easy to understand. Let's explore how Hedra AI transforms digital interactions into something incredible. I'm not a real person. I'm a digital creation. I might sound real, but I'm actually just software. I don't have thoughts or feelings. I'm programmed to respond.
If you want to create videos like mine, make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started.
We begin by typing Hedra AI into the browser. Click on the first website you see. Click Try Beta Now. You can then sign in to use the service by clicking on Sign in to use. Click Use Google Login to sign in with my Google account. Choose your account. Select Continue. Please tick all the options. Click on Create Account and again on Try Beta. Hedra AI's interface looks like this. You can generate your audio with your script from here. Please click here if you would like to use prepared audio. I will generate my audio with my script. I'll paste my script here. You can select your voice by clicking here. I'll choose this one. The image can be dragged and dropped here. You can also upload a picture by clicking here. Here you can create your own avatar by typing your prompt. I will type, a beautiful young girl of 20 years old. Click on Create. It has generated an avatar for us, as you can see. We can now generate our video. Click Generate Video. It can sometimes cause problems. In order to avoid this issue, we need to decrease the number of words we use. Once again, click Generate Video. The video is now being generated. As you can see, a video has been generated after a while. Click here to watch it.
Hello there, I'm your AI avatar, a digital creation here to assist you. With advanced technology, I can speak, listen, and understand your needs. Whether it's providing information, guiding you through tasks, or simply chatting.
There are some videos on the page if we scroll down. It is also possible to remix these videos. Click here to remix this video. You need to write down your prompt. Then click Generate Video. Let's watch it.
Hello there! I'm your AI avatar, a digital creation here to assist you. With advanced technology, I can speak, listen, and understand your needs. Whether it's providing information, guiding you through tasks, or simply chatting, I'm here to make your experience seamless and enjoyable. Let's explore.
Let's try another one. An angry bull with a face is what I'm going to write. Click on the Create button. After a while, it generated an angry bull. You need to write your prompt. Click Generate Video. A video was generated after a while. You can see it there.
Hello there! I'm your AI avatar, a digital creation here to assist you. I am an angry bull.
Click here to download it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos. See you next time.